Latest no transfer news amathema amaningi athenga yabe yakhe team iyathenga na sanibona bafethu uvane lo namhlanje ngizoqala nje ngomdlali ebesikade simkhalela as a nation obekade efuna ukuhamba kweMamelodi Sundowns ke igcine iacceptile ideal ukuthi ke umjida bamdayise kune club ke yale eDenmark embonile umjida edlala kahle kampela kwiWorld Cup base ke bathi ke siyamfuna ukumsayina lo mdlali le iMamelodi Sundowns yayisivuma ke yasho ukuthi ke cha wozana nizomlanda umjida ke nilethe imali esiyidingayo wase ke umjida ke esisayina icontract njengamanje nje usowumdlali omusha umdlali weFC Copenhagen leclub ke bafethu seke yadlalelwa vele yiSouth African before lo mdlali lo wayedlalela Orlando Pirates abambiza ngoZuma washaya ngempela kamagoli bafethu uZuma unane stage nje sakhe kuleya club leya so bayamazi abamazi so uThapelo Maseko uyonyathela einyathelweni zakhe uZuma. So nje ngimfisela inhlanhla uMaseko engathi ke angafike adlale kahle lapha afike ashine umjida kade sesimkhalela kakhulu. Ngiyayithanda lento yenziwa eMamelodi Sundowns iloke nje ibadedela kancane abafana. Njengoba nje ngishilo izolo regarding indaba kaThato Sibiya. Kwezeze indaba eziphumile bafethu the former Mamelodi Sundowns forward isisayine a 2-year deal with iClub yase-Ethiopia ebizwa ngani na ebiza ngeMechal Club. Remember ke lo mjida lo wasafarisha kakhulu regarding ama-injuries esakwiMamelodi Sundowns if nikhumbula kahle walinyazwa umdlali weOrlando Pirates okuba na ukumpontsha since walimala abafethu umjida akakaze arecover ngempela abe lo mdlali lo weMamelodi Sundowns yamthengela ukuthi ke abe uyena. But I hope nje ezobuyela kule club le ayidlalela vele before uzofike adlale kahle usayine nje 2-year contract with yona le club. Kwezeze indaba eziphumile bafethu Kaizer Chiefs announced abadlali esibalonile namhlanje lone bani na ilone uSamkelo Zwane iconfirmile ukuthi ke umjida imlone kwini na imlone kwiHope FC yaconfirma futhi ukuthi ke uBotle Molefe bamlonile naye bamlona kwiHope FC sokuthi ke uOffense Khosana yena ke bamlone kwini na bamlone kwiReal Native lebizwa ngeKaizer Stars masukuthi ke uVicky Mkhawana yena ke walonwa kwiReal Native nayo futhi ke ebibizwa ngeKaizer Stars masukuthi ke uSfiso Simba yena ke ukwiGomora United. So all of these youngsters badlala le ezansi kwiNFD. Let's hope ke bajida bazokwazi ke bafike bapick up igame time khona bezobuyela laphana kwiKaizer Chiefs noma ke iKaizer Chiefs they might sell these players or release these players singesazi. Kwezeze indaba eziphumile bafethu iCape Town City namhlanje they announced their newest signing okuba na uAbednego Mosayihlata. Angikwazi ukupronounce leli gama ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi ke lipronounce kanjani igama lakhe but ke umjida ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa ke uzogqoka unumber 11 kuyona iCape Town City. Cape Town City kayigcina ngomu-announce umjida bagcina sebe-announce nejezi labo elisha namhlanje their newest home kit. Njengoba niyibona nje bafethu i-home kit yabo ilona ke jezi leli abazodlala ngalo kule season ezoqala kuyona iNFD. Angifuni nje uqaba manga leli jezi lihle kakhulu. Leli jezi lihle kakhulu it's a pity ukuthi ke ijezi abazodlala ngalo kuNFD but ke let's hope leli jezi ilona elizobalethela inhlanhla ukuthi ke babuyele kwiBetway Premiership. Ukuze kodwa ke babuyele kwiBetway Premiership kumele benze sure ukuthi ke baya sacrifice cause the reason why bayihlathini is because badelela some other team ekhona kwiBetway Premiership. Ukuze ke babuyele kwiBetway Premiership kumele bathathe one of their players, their star players bayidayisele leyo team leyo. Bayazi ke bayaziyo leyo team. Emilwitsboy kumele bamdayisele leyo club ukuze ke iban izo-unlift ababuyele kwiBetway Premiership. Singesazi phela izinto ziyenzeka. Mina ke ngiyibona isengasebenza kanjalo. If they want to come back kwiBetway Premiership, they must do this. Otherwise, they will remain an NFD team until they buy status seclub edlala kwiBetway Premiership. I think that's how I see it. But again, enough of the banter. It's a nice jersey. Let's hope they come back kuyona iBetway Premiership. Kwezeze indaba eziphumile bafethu iPSL isiconfirmile namhlanje ukuthi ke amathikithi eMTN semifinals aphumile bafethu. So uma uyothenga ithikithi nje kumele wenze sure ukuthi uzolithola eShoprite, iseCheckers, iseUSafe uzokhosta nje 10 rand. Uma ufuna ukuthenga online ungalithola kuOpen Ticket. 100 rand not 10 rand angazi. 100 rand bafethu ithikithi. Angazi ngempela why amathikithi bewabiza 100 rand because abantu abaningi I don't think bazoyikhipha imali engango-100 rand ukuthi ke bawubukela ibhola yabo. I feel like iPSL kumele ke i-review le decision ukuthi ke wonke ama-games manje bawenza 100 rand. It is not something that is fair yabo. Akukho fair kubabukeli bebhola kubathandi bebhola lento le ibhlungu kakhulu but ke ungangitshela wena how do you feel regarding lento le yokwenza ithikithi lekubo libo 100 rand per game. Imagine if ke ufuna ukubuyela ama-games awu5 Orlando Pirates elandelana. It means you have to pay 500 to watch ibhola. Asazi, you can tell me in the comments. Yabo ibhola seliyabiza njengamanje, football is expensive and ke seliya kwenye i-level njengamanje. Betway Premiership njengoba sinama sponsors amaningi, it means that ibhola lisazobiza kakhulu. It means that if you are watching ibhola kwi-TV you have to pay high price, yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu ake iMamelodi Sundowns isadingida i-contract with umdlali wayo ukuba na ukuHomolemo Kekana. Umjida ke kuthiwa ke akafuna ukusayina i-contract entsha with iMamelodi Sundowns, kuthiwa ke i-offer bamnikeza yona ayimgculisi umjida, yabo. So yena ne-agent yakhe abekho happy, so iMamelodi Sundowns they have to provide the young player i-contracts right ukuze ke bezokwazi ke bamgcine kuyona i-club. The situation le iyangichaza because ifana nenye situation yawo umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns ukuba na okuletlahu. It seems like the youngsters they are realizing ukuthi oh, we can actually make Mamelodi Sundowns yabo do ama-contracts right for thina as youngsters, because thina siyafuna ukuyodlala phesheya, siyafuna ukuya overseas. So kumele sikhulume sisho ukuthi ke cha, there are some offers overseas amathema afuna ukusayina. Uma ke nina ningasinikeze offers ama-contracts right, sifuna ukuhamba. This is what I like from the youngsters. This is what I like. Ama youngsters mele ke a-act kanje kuyona Mamelodi Sundowns. I hope uma bhena uya understand into i-situation yenzekalayo njengamanje, yabo. Kwezinye indaba eziphumile, iclub yakwi-Motsepe Foundation iGomora United kuthiwa ke sebe-edile abanye abadlali abawu2 okuKing Ndlovu noMondli Mpoto. Abajida ke they will play for iGomora United kuyona le season ezoqala. It looks like abajida baletha equality yangempela. Kwezinye izindaba ngisakuyona nje bafethu i-NFD kuthiwa ke uKgomotso Mosadi umjida ke usejoyine iclub iOrbit College. Remember umjida ubedlalela eMagesi FC ngaphambilini, so njengamanje useyodlalela ini nawo, useyodlalela iOrbit College FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iBlack Leopards iconfirmile ukuthi ke bamclearishile umdlali okuBethuel Muzeu ukuthi ke ayojoyina iSkhukhune United. Remember ke umjida ubedlalela nje iBlack Leopards. iBlack Leopards irelegatiwe yaya kwi-3rd tier of ibhola la South Africa. So nje umjida nje eya so nje i-team iya kwi-amateur ranks, yena ke akakwazi ukuthi ke ahambe ne-team aye kwi-amateur ranks. So i-club bekumele imclearishe ayojoyina noma yipi club asengayijoyina mahala. So iSkhukhune United yase itholela istriker vele besikade sisifuna, yabo. So umjida ke njengamanje udlalela iSkhukhune United. Kaizer Chiefs isenkingeni ngempela, another left back ithole i-injury okuba na okuReece Flosler. uFlosler ke bafethu njwanazi bafethu umjida uthole i-hamstring. So lento le izodala ukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs iye kwi-market iyobheka i-left back. Akhona kama left back akhona kuBetway Premiership. Maybe mina ngiyiKaizer Chiefs bengizozama ukuthi ngikhiphe imali ekhona ngizama ukukhuluma neSkhukhune ngiyothenga uVuyoli Tlapa. Vuyoli Tlapa is a very very good left back for iKaizer Chiefs. Umjida uyadlala ngempela. You saw him playing against AmaZulu, scored a beautiful goal against AmaZulu. Umjida uyakwazi ukukhahlela ngempela, very very unpredictable left back. Angazi ke iKaizer Chiefs yona izokwenza njani kule crisis le, iwindi lisavuliwe. Kwezinye indaba eziphumile, iSenegal i-announcile uPatrick Vieira as their new head coach. iDCU Orlando Pirates adidlala namhlanje ishawe ngo-5-0 le eNetherlands. Adidas namhlanje ke ukhiphe ipost regarding amajezi ebhola answempu emhlabeni jikelele abawakhiphile kule season le. So nje wabona ke bafethu ibona ke abadlali laba, ibona abadlali ke laba iwona ke ama clubs ke lawa a representayo, yabo, as a whole as uAdidas. Ngokubona kwa-Adidas iwona ama-clubs lawa ahambisalana nayo i-brand, yabo. i-Africa i-represent i-Orlando Pirates lapha phezulu, njengoba niyibona nje i-Inter Miami nayo ikhona i-Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, Arsenal, iJuventus ikhona neLiverpool. Akhona nje wonke ama-club amakhulu neManchester United, khona neNewcastle naye sisana kufika, but ke nayo ikhona. So kahle kahle la khona ama-clubs amakhulu emhlabeni jikelele. If ingekho i-club yakho la, ayibowazi ngempela ukuthi ke i-club yakho ayikho that big. Ngiyadlala